Welcome back to the SSL Family Dad channel. We are coming to you from Michigan in the fall. As temperatures get colder and colder here, we are really looking forward to using this indoor space here in the atrium. I've showed you guys this before, one of the main reasons we bought this house. So let's see what we can do to make this indoor space even more like an outdoor summer barbecue. Oh yeah, you ready?
Yep.
All right. Who wants cheese?
Now it's time to get on.
Let's pray. Dear Lord, thank you for this beautiful story all that we do. In Jesus' name we pray. All right, let's eat.
Yeah.
I'm like Wolf, and I'm Frank Fritz. And we're Pickers. You travel back over here.
How much was this thing? $200.
Home Alone, Alf.
No,
Let's
not
see.
Elf. We have watched it way too many times. Ooh, Dad, we should watch Twilight or Harry Potter.
Okay.
My dear old friend, thanks for coming. Such a good secret.
Well, it sure has been fun enjoying this this indoor space, even when it's cold and wet outside here in Michigan fall. So let's take a quick tour around, show you what we have and what has made this space just absolutely awesome. One of the things we knew we had to have in here was a TV. So we could sit in the hot tub, we could sit at the picnic table here, we'll look at the snow out the window in the winter time and just sit here and enjoy some movies. But instead of getting a TV, why not go big and just go with a projector? So we got this awesome little AcroJoy projector. These things actually are so much cheaper than they used to be, so you can get these things and use them for just outdoor use, backyard use. You know, you want to have a campfire outside and throw a projector up and watch TV or watch a movie together. These things are very affordable. So this one actually is high definition. You can screencast from your phone. It's got some HDMI ports on the other side. You can just plug like a little Roku stick into it or something like that, a little TV stick, Fire Stick. It's got speakers built in, or you can plug in external speakers. I actually have it mounted to just a photo light tripod, just screwed into the bottom of it right now. You can set it on a table or tray or something like that, and it comes with a screen. So we had everything we needed. It actually comes with little sticky hooks that go on the wall. We actually screwed those ones in, but it comes with everything that you need to use this thing. So it's pretty cool. So that was definitely a lot of fun, sitting in here, sitting in the hot tub. We've had a couple nights where we just sit in the hot tub, watch movies or watch TV shows and just chill out at night, which is really cool. But definitely a cool little product. I'll put a link in the description to this, the one that's bundled with the screen, and you guys can check that out. One of the things that we just knew we had to have in this space, since it is a patio, this is an outdoor barbecue type scene, we had to have some kind of a barbecue. So we looked around online and we actually found this George Foreman grill on Amazon. This is an electric grill, and it works really well. It's just like the other George Foremans we've had, the little grills that you use in the kitchen to cook hamburgers and things. So this one has a grease trap right underneath it, so you can easily cook indoors on a screened-in area or patio or really anywhere in your house. And it's awesome because the whole house smelled like hamburgers when we're cooking. So as soon as we walked into this house for the very first time, we walked right in the front door and right up to that balcony right up there and looked down at this space and saw the potential in here. I knew this is what I wanted things to be. I wanted this to be filled with growth and trees and things growing all winter long. I wanted to be able to sit in here in a hot tub, watching movies and hanging out with the family, having little picnics and barbecues and things like that. And so this space is going to be a lot of fun. So if you're ever wondering where we are most of the time in the winter, it's probably going to be somewhere in this room. Michigan winters are long and they're gloomy and they're cold. So this will be a lot of fun to hang out in here. Everything from this hot tub to the projector, to the grill, to just about everything we have in here, including the avocado trees, lemon trees, all these things that we have. Most everything's been purchased on Amazon. I'll put links to everything in the description. Of course, with Christmas coming up, might be some ideas for you guys, for your families. One of the questions that many have asked is, has the hot tub been doing in here? We've had it in here for a few weeks now, and we've used it quite a few times, and it has been no trouble at all. The humidity is dissipated right in here. The house doesn't smell like chlorine. It's not like not a big problem at all. We're not in here. It's not open, 24/7. So we come in here for maybe an hour or two here and there, and use this thing. And there's not been an issue with humidity or anything like that in this room. So hopefully you've enjoyed the little quick tour of the indoor patio space here. I'm sure it's going to be a lot of fun. We'll look forward to updates on this space as things grow throughout the winter. We'll give you updates on how well things do. I've also got a bunch of indoor gardening things to show you guys coming up over the next couple months. So look forward to that. Don't forget to hit thumbs up on today's video. And as always, thanks for watching. Have a good one.